the prompts I'm working with today are ocean, surprise and texture. And I thought, what better for texture than fabric of all different types. So I'm going to build an ocean because, you know, we can do that. We can do that on our channels. But of course I want a little bit of a beach first because, you know, what's an ocean without a beach? So I'm thinking I'm going to layer it up and I might even stitch it. I'm thinking of stitching it all together. So we have some layers. I'm just going to rip them up. So thank you to Caroline on the hillside for the prompts. If you want to join in, the hashtag is hashtag hillside heart prompts. And she does them every week. And you can join in whenever you like. If you see a set of prompts that you love, just go for it. Just see what comes into your head. Now I'm liking that. And I'm not too sure about this. I don't know if that's going to work. And I've got this bit of green. Greeny blue. You know. A little bit of that. Let's have a little bit. So it's just like doing it with paper. But I fancied a bit of a play with some fabric. And then of course we need some sky. So here we go. Let's have a little bit of sky. Not too much. Not too much sky because it's all about the beach. Now it's a bit big. So just trim that slightly. Okay. So that is the sort of basis of my collage. I know, easy peasy. We're going to add some more bits to it. But what I want to do is just quickly go and just stitch along all those. So I'm going to be right back. Okay, I've done a few lines across. My machine is playing up something. Yeah, not quite sure what's going on with this. But that's the general idea. Now, I'm a bit concerned because now I have gone too far that way. So I may have to change pages and go on this side. Which is a shame because now that's a jelly printed one. Let's just see if there's another. Okay. How about that one? That's better. I like these off the edge, and if they go in there, they're going to squish. So we've changed page. We're going to put them here. So what I've done is I actually stitched it onto some paper. So what I'm going to do is glue that paper on, and that's going to be my ocean. Number 1. There we go. Oops, come down. There we go. Texture and ocean. Just about closed my book, which is good. I love this. This is just like so super cool. And I've got some of this voile which I was going to put on as well. But I forgot. Yeah, forgot, guys. I got so carried away when my machine wasn't working properly. I was like, no. So all we've got to do now is add a surprise. Obviously, I'm going to do a bit more. So what I want to do is put this on the top like a flip so that the ocean is hidden underneath. And then we're going to just do some more bits on top of there. So you're not going to be able to see it. So it's going to be a surprise when you lift that up. So all we need to do is make a picture. Oh, I've got so many threads. There's so many. So I was just checking if this was going to work. So I found a card topper of a little pirate, and I've cut the boat out because I put it onto some thick card because it was a bit thin and it was just all not settling well on the texture. And then I'm just going to glue these down onto here to start with. Oh, it's good fun to play, isn't it? I love playing in this book. This just gives you the perfect excuse to just play like a kid. And I love a pirate story. Who doesn't like Pirates of the Caribbean? Johnny Depp. So fun. So while I'm cutting all this out, I've got to announce my new members for my channel, because it's been a couple of weeks and I still haven't done it. So I do apologise, ladies. I'm going to do it now. So I'd say a massive thank you to Anne DeVault. She was my very first member, and she's joined my channel. And also then to Lynn Hill. Thank you so much, Lynn. I appreciate it so much. And to Darlene Blackwell, my most recent member. I do hope that you're enjoying the extra videos, and I will get out some blooper videos soon for you. It's just having the time in between doing the actual videos. And then once I've edited them, I've got to go back in then and get all the bits that I've cut out and then make them into a video. So, but yeah, I'm going to do it. You are going to get some bloopers very soon. Okay. So yeah, it's all been very exciting, and I do thank you, ladies, for being the first, and I hope you're enjoying your kit of springtime. There will be a new upload coming soon. Hopefully Tuesday I'll get that up. A new download for you, and I'll pop it into our community post. For anybody else who wants to join, there is a link in the video description, and also the join button is just right underneath the video, near to the subscribe button, which I'm hoping you've already pressed. I don't need to tell you to press that one. So I do all sorts of fun stuff on here. All sorts of weird and wonderful. Whatever I feel like doing. Mainly to do with junk journals, obviously, because, you know, that's my favourite. Especially the real junk journals. I'm really into my eclectic journal for in my unfinished projects challenge. If you want to join in, that's every Sunday. And we set 30 minutes aside to work on our unfinished projects, of which I have a few. Just a few. So I'm going to put my little pirate. Maybe his name is Jack. Jack the pirate is going down on my beach. There we go. Yeah, I'm always a little bit behind Caroline's videos because I can't do them until the weekend when she does hers, and then they go up the week after. But super fun. If you want to do some collage and you don't know what to collage about, have a look at Hillside Heart prompts and see if there's any that take your fancy. Caroline puts them all on her community page. So if you go to her community page, you can see all the prompts that she's done over the weeks. And just choose some that you like. And do a collage like this. It doesn't have to be like this. This is a bit bonkers because, you know, it's me. But I like it. We have to think of a title, don't we? What should we put? I need to find something piratey, like drink your rum. We had a bit of that while we was on holiday. Oh, my holiday video will be coming up soon, guys. Haunted pubs and canal boats. Absolutely fun. I hope that you enjoy it because it was just so good. Oh, I had such a nice time away. Right, I think that's stuck. What I'm going to do just before I forget is glue my surprise element on. Top of there. Where's Jack gone? That's one of Millie's favourite games. Where's Millie gone? Boo! So cute. So, yeah, we play that game a lot. I need trim on there. I need trim, guys. What should we use? I've got my basket of blue. As you can see, I'm loving the blue today. I love blue every day. Ooh. Don't know about that. I don't want to put lace on it. I want trim. I'm sure I've got some trim. Ribbon. Oh, there we go. There's some trim. I just think that'd be nicer than lace. Just for this one. And I've tied it all up with an elastic band. I feel like I need to put something on there now as well. Like, open me. Lift me up. What's that song? You Raise Me Up. I can't think who sings it. I know you know. I know you all know. I just can't remember. But I'm sure you're going to tell me, because you all know. So what do you think? What do you think I should put on the front of there? Do you think I should do some embroidery, or do you think I should just put some writing on there? I need something. I need something else under there, I think. Or we could leave it just really simple. It's quite bulky, that page now. But I do feel like it needs something on that big space. I could put a butterfly on there. I've got a page of butterflies here. Maybe we could put a butterfly at the bottom. They're a bit thin to cut. Well, I don't know why I've got loads of butterflies. Maybe we could put this one on the bottom. And we could use it to, like, lift up the page. Who knows why I've got all the butterflies out. I think I needed one for something. And you know what it's like. You get a whole page. And we'll just quickly cut him out. I'm not cutting the little antennae, whatever they're called. Stamens of flowers, aren't they? They're not butterflies. So no, we're going to chop them off. Because they're just going to break. And they will with me. I'm a bit heavy-handed. I'm sure you've noticed. So if I put him down there, that will sort of weight it down a bit as well, won't it? I'm just wondering what title I can put. My brain is ticking away even while I'm doing that. I need something rum related. Well, maybe not, because it's a child. I better not. Oh, I could put another one on the back. Or I could just let that glue soak a minute. Do you think we should put another one on the back? We'll see. We'll see how it goes. It might dry. let me go and find some words. Right, I found some words that I've printed out quite a while back now. I knew I had them, and it says, there's one that says treasure. So I'm going to cut that one out. I just made them on my computer and printed them out, that's all. I don't want that. Could put it up there. Do we want to back it? I think I can put it onto that flat bit at the top. I don't know what else I can put on, but I'm going to put this. And I've got a card that I want to slot in somewhere, but I can't. I could pop it in there. But I found it while I was looking for everything else. I'm just going to go around the edge. I'm going to Jovi's little tricks. Save you getting all your inks out. Just use a pen. This one's very old and wrecked because it's me. So I'm going to pop that on there. Treasure. Oh, upside down. Oh, what have I seen? I could take some of this. Treasure the journey. Does that make sense? Does that make sense, guys? I do have some letters here. And I felt like I really wanted to put an X. Because X marks the spot in treasure. So I'm going to put that one as well. No, I think I'll leave treasure. I'll leave treasure as it is. But I think I am going to put another butterfly on the back of there. I promise I'm going to go in a minute. I want one about the same size as that. I think that one was about the same size. I'm going to very quickly cut this out. So I hope you're all well, guys. I'm nearly finished. I hope you've been crafting along. What are you doing? Are you gluing, stitching, journaling? I really want to do some more glue booking. Right, we're going to put this one on upside down so that you just can't see the glue on the other one, on the other side, because I know it's my journal, and if I don't like it with the glue showing, I can cover it up, and it can be upside down. I don't mind. There we go. So if you've got something that's showing through to the other page, just put something else on it. Like that. And that will weight down your page as well. I'm still undecided. Let me know. Would you put anything on there? What would you put on there? I'm sure you've got some brilliant ideas. So there's my surprise. Underneath, my texture. And my ocean. So thank you to Caroline for the prompts this week. Great fun. And thank you to you for watching. I do appreciate it, guys. I'll see you very soon. Bye.